Ngayon, kung lahat pala tayo honest, why is the Philippines often, or if not all the time, why is the Philippines always ranked as one of the most corrupt countries in the whole world? Nagpapakalinis kayo? Aba kung malinis pala ang mga opisyalis natin, bakit palagi tayong nililista ng Transparency International as one of the most corrupt countries in the world? Magtitinginan tayo? Sino kaya dito? That is the problem with this country. We're all for honest government, and yet the world condemns us as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. That's why it is difficult to win in any international election, in any international campaign, because the Philippines, among others, has a reputation of being a corrupt country. Isip ng iba, kung corrupt ang kaya na yan, walang matinong lalabas dyan. Walang matinong ibubunga yan. Bigyan nyo ako ng sapang buhay. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng sapang buhay. At imbestigahin ko lahat, isa-isa. Dito sa Senado, sa House of Representatives, tignan natin. Pati sarili ko, imbestigahin ko.